Park, coach the guy 101. See you in the park. Get those hands in the air. See you in the park. Coach the guy 101. See you in the park.
Right there. Yeah, surprise, surprise. We are back at Knott's Berry Farm. We got something to eat, and now we're out to get on hang time. That's what we're going to start the day with, and just kind of chill, relax. But we're not going to be here all day. We're just going to be here for a few hours, and we got other things to do today. So just get a little bit of vlogging for today and go from there. Alright, so it's come to my conclusion that you can never get a bad ride on hang time. Never ever a bad ride. It's such a great ride. It's fantastic. So we're gonna get our picture and go from there.
Welcome back, riders. When the train comes to a complete stop and your lap bars release, unbuckle your seatbelt, watch your step, and exit out to your left.
Silver Bullet is running. It is open. It wasn't open yesterday for maintenance, due to maintenance, but today it's running. So happy, excited. I miss my Silver Bullet. So we're gonna get on Silver Bullet, get shot with the bullet, enjoy the bullet, and have fun, right, Rach?
Shoot the Silver Bullet.
Silver Bullet. What's that back there? Yes, indeed, Silver Bullet. It ran great today. Fantastic. I think that's the best ride I've had on Silver Bullet. And,
Love Silver Bullet.
How can you not love Silver Bullet? One of the best inverts out there. So anyways, I'm so glad we got to ride it today. I'm so glad we got to ride it today. We were, it was closed yesterday, but we decided to come back today, and it's a good thing we did. We made a good choice, and we weren't sure if we are going to get to ride it today because we weren't sure they were going to open. So indeed they opened it, and indeed we got a great ride. All right, so something that normally doesn't do in Southern California is rain, but you know, here at the parks. But anyways, it is what it is, and we'll just deal with it. So here we have it. Rain, rain, rain.
In the park, Coast to Guy 101. See you in the park. Get those hands in the air. See you in the park. Coast to Guy 101.